We've recently seen some great news as it relates to Bitcoin adoption. Of course, El Salvador has adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. Now we have news that Brazil is accepting Bitcoin for payment. And now we have another country up next talking about them legalizing Bitcoin as well. This particular country in Africa, we're going to break it down right after this. Zach here, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. And next up on the country looking to legalize Bitcoin is Nigeria. So we've talked about El Salvador, we've talked about Bitcoin. Now Nigeria is looking to legalize Bitcoin usage. So again, every country has some different verbiage here. So I want to take you through exactly what's going on here. But a local Nigerian newspaper has reported that the chairman of the House of Representatives Committee in Nigeria claim the country will soon pass a law making the usage of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies legal. So this sounds like it's actually even more than just Bitcoin. Now, the bill would amend the 2007 Investments and Securities Act that would recognize Bitcoin as legal capital for investment. Back in February in 2021, Nigeria effectively banned the usage of Bitcoin, and a letter prohibiting regulated financial businesses from, quote, dealing with cryptocurrencies. In the same year, though, Bitcoin Magazine reported Nigeria soaring to the largest volume of Bitcoin peer-to-peer transaction trading in the world. And chain analysis reports showed that Nigeria had greatly accelerated Bitcoin adoption. So maybe this is why they're going back to the drawing board. Now, the newspaper report described how Nigeria is behind in regards to regulation of the industry, saying, this was quoted, like I said earlier today during the second reading, we need an efficient and vibrant capital market in Nigeria. For us to do that, we have to be up to date when it comes to global practices, and they see Bitcoin as the future in that regard. If the proposed regulation properly addresses the growing Bitcoin usage within the country, it could be a huge catalyst for the African continent's most populated country, Nigeria here. So, yeah, there's a lot of bad news out there, but keep in mind there's a lot of big things happening behind the scenes when it comes to global crypto adoption, global Bitcoin adoption. It's happening. It's happening right now. El Salvador, Brazil, now Nigeria, and it will continue to develop, in my opinion. So, you've got to be able to block out some of the noise, right? You can get really bogged down with all the FTX drama. It's just one bad person, one bad company. It does not mean the cryptocurrency market is doomed. In fact, this will make the cryptocurrency market much stronger for years to come, because once we get the bad actors out, people will have more trust and faith in a technology that isn't going anywhere and that's here to stay. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Appreciate you guys stopping back by the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, click that subscribe button down there, and we'll see you in the next one.